President Trump, give me more tariffs. I like them a lot. 'Cause now when I check my weight chart, believe it or not, it's now the best diet I think that I've got.
I see the gas prices took quite a jump. It's a reality check when I stand at the pump. I now take a bus and walk to my work. The boost to my health has been quite a perk.
Heating my house is becoming a chore. I feel cold through the windows. I feel cold through the doors.
I have a great plan to keep out the cold. I'll just buy me a brand new coal burning stove.
And when all of the groceries keep getting higher, I'll get rid of this belly I call my spare tire.
My electric bill soared to unbelievable heights. So now I'll put a generator on my exercise bike.
I'll stop buying junk food and eat more healthy. I won't worry about money, 'cause I'll never get wealthy.
Kids have no money for a college education. I guess it's time to let robots take over our nation.
There's less parcels to my house and less parcels to the dump. I think we'll be winning when we're out of this slump.
They say when you're skinny, you can live much longer. So I'm doing my part to make America stronger. Please, President Trump, give us more tariffs. I like them a lot.
It's the wave of the future, believe it or not.
I've heard it's the wave of the future, believe it or not. So now you can tell me, do you believe it or not?